I'll start the semiconductor fabrication technology. Well, the disadvantage of thermal diffusion is difficult to control junction depths. Because the furnace does not degrade easily. Shallow junction is necessary to prevent threshold reduction. The shorter the channel, the greater the impact the overlayer in the depletion layer, the greater the effect of the electric field. So it falls more than fixed voltage. This is referred to Pretty Law, where the threshold voltage depends on gain length, charge, and junction depth. So make the junction thinner. Junction control is very important. This image shows the series resistance. Use ion implantation to overcome thermal diffusion. There is a following characteristics. Well, first, structural weakness and junction control is easy, damage to lattice, and uniform can easily make uniform. Well, this image is ion implantator. This part is ion source, generation of ions. For example, BF3, B2H6. The desired mass can be extracted from the desired slot. When inserting ion, a scan action is required. Dose control. It is important to know how much doping is worth. By using this Faraday curve, the current is induced by ion and the current area of the unit area can solved. This image is showing how far ion going. This picture shows the stopping mechanism. There are two kinds. First, nuclear stopping and electronic stopping. Nuclear stopping is collision with nuclei of the lattice atoms scattered significantly. Electronic stopping is collision with electrons of the lattice atoms. Energy transfer is very small. This image is stopping mechanism using image. As the electric field grows, the junction depth becomes deeper and peak becomes smaller. Variation is wide. This picture shows Gaussian distribution function. The junction depth is exactly where the doping and the exact amount of doping are exactly the same. The doping concentration under the mask should be less than 1 of 10 of background doping. Make sure that the junction depth is shallow and exact using ion implantation. Junction depth can be controlled by acceleration energy. Junction depth can be controlled by acceleration energy, and non-Gaussian doping profile can be achieved by multiple ion implantation, like uniform. Channeling is a lot different through empty space when there is a lot of energy. To prevent channeling, you should tilt it carefully. Follow the Gaussian distribution where 8 degrees.